There's Kucherov. Unable to get it through. Back over to the right side for Cernak. And now McDonough. Panthers back at full strength. They score! 1-0. Tampa Bay, third of the series. Corey Perry.
Double deflection here. Stamkos and Perry. The shot will come from the middle of the ice. And it's Sergei Bobrovsky moving right to left. It finds the back of the net. But again, establish the shot from the middle of the ice. It ends up behind Bobrovsky.
Yeah, I think you're right about the double deflection. Stamkos at least waved at it. Perry there in the backhand.